I've got some super awesome nonfiction stuff to show you. Nonfiction is one of my very favorites, so there's a few of these. This is called What's Below. This is a pop-up book, and it is amazing. Are you ready for this? Can you see the jungle all pop up there? It's so fun. So you've got little words up here, and then down at the bottom also talking about what's happening underneath the ground, under the jungle. That one was a dinosaur. Here's in the ocean. So it's just a super fun way to get your nonfiction. I love it. That one's awesome. We also have several new flat books. This is a new one in the first questions and answers. So if you have What Makes It Rain, that's one of the books that I rave about all the time because I love it so much. It's so cute. This is another book in that same series. So this one is all about your senses. How do I see? How do I hear? How do I smell things? And then you've got your little flaps. So why do dogs sniff things? Because their great sense of smell tells them a lot about what's around them. Or, let's see. Is my trunk really just a long nose? Yes and no. And so then it talks about an elephant's trunk. How do I taste things? That one's great too. And how do I feel things? What have I found? A shell. So I love these. They're awesome for little ones. And even older kids too. My daughter, she just turned 5, and these are some of her favorites. We love these books. And if I miss a flap, she is sure to tell me so we can go back. We have to do all of them. This is another one in our questions and answers series. This is questions and answers about food. This is so full of all sorts of things. How does food reach the supermarket? How do you become a chef? Why are carrots orange? And then again, you've got all your flaps to give you all your answers. Should I ask for seconds? This is our yes or no page. And then here's what. What did people do before freezers? Talks about ice. So tons of great stuff. Lots of fun information. You can do a little bit of it at a time, or you can do it all if you want. And this is the last flat book that I have. This is First Math. So if you have like the First Words book, this is another one in that series. So here's First Math, where you've got just like little beginner, 2 + 1 is 3. Little beginner problems. I love the pictures in these. They're just so bright and fun, and they make math exciting. So here you're trying to find how many there are of each of these items, and then more little math problems. So that one's really great. Okay, now these 3 are probably my favorite. This is 100 Things to Know About Space. The first one was 100 Things to Know About Science, but I'm a space person. I love all things space, so I am all over this book. And I love that it gives you the numbers too. So you can read it front to back if you want, or if you're just like, oh, I think I'll look at number 74 today. If the sun burned out today, it would still shine for another 1,000,000 years. So just tons of awesome facts. Oh, I love that one. Okay, and this one is going to be fantastic for like the spring and summer. This is the outdoor book. It has so many activities and ideas of things that you can do. This is the Discovering Wildlife section. So you can capture footprints at night, make a trap to catch bugs, create a nest for bumblebees, all sorts of fun things. Just tons of ideas, information, and great stuff for playing and exploring outside. Okay, and then this is the last one that I have to show you. This is a big picture thesaurus. I had to put it with like the nonfiction. I don't know where it goes, but it's awesome, so I had to show you. I love it so much. Okay, so here's kind of like your contents, right? So you've got animals, playing sports, in the city, in the countryside, by the sea, all sorts of things. So let's see, here is getting around. And then you've got fun pictures, and then all of your words. So let's see, hikers, walk, stroll, and stride. What's another one? Hot air balloons, rise and soar. Just different words. You know how a thesaurus works. Food and drinks. Food can be raw, cooked, boiled, fried, baked, broiled, charred, steamed, barbecued, or roasted. How fun is that? I just love this one a ton. It's awesome.